Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to change your name and photo in iMessage. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on settings and scroll down, tap on apps. Okay, tap on message. Just tap on this option, share name and photos. Okay, just tap and continue. Add picture. Okay, add and done. Then continue. Done. That's all. To change your name and photo in iMessage. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.